For the corrector, if you don't have an orange corrector, don't worry, we can make our own. Take like a orange lip liner or a orange lipstick, sit with some concealer, apply it wherever you feel you have darkness and blend it with your fingers. Applying a yellow undertone concealer to cover the orange, very lightly going in sheer layers. Notice the shades I'm using. The earlier concealer was a very deep yellow shade. This is a very light lemon yellow shade. This is gonna be a covering at the same time a brightening concealer. You can use like a brightening concealer like this. Dip your sponge in powder, pat and press on the palm, spread it evenly on the sponge, squeeze the sponge and just touch